Hey, welcome back. I'm Steve, your manager at FixItSmartly.com. And if you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling roof leaks, one of the most common but avoidable issues in any home. First things first, you need to find the source of the leak. Head up to your attic and look for any water stains or wet spots on the ceiling or beams. If you can't see it clearly, try using binoculars to inspect your roof for missing, cracked, or curled shingles. These are usually the culprits. Once you've pinpointed the problem, grab some roofing cement, a putty knife, and if needed, some replacement shingles. Make sure the roof is dry before you begin, and apply a thick layer of roofing cement to seal up the cracks or holes. For larger issues, replace the damaged shingles, making sure they're properly aligned and sealed with the cement. Don't forget to check your flashing around chimneys or vents for any damage that might allow water to slip through. When you're finished, take a step back and check for any other signs of wear and tear on the roof, and keep your gutters clear to prevent future leaks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving home repair tips. What's the next problem you'd like me to show you how to fix? Leave a comment below. Let's keep saving money and taking charge of our homes. I'll see you in the next one.